Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Phantom Wallet extension. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies, particularly on the Solana blockchain. To get started, first ensure you have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet or restore an existing one using your seed phrase. A key concept to understand is the importance of seed phrases. Your seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to keep your seed phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet. When setting up your wallet, you will be prompted to create a password. Choose a strong and unique password that you do not use for any other account. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. Another important tip is to always verify the recipient's address before sending any cryptocurrency. Phantom Wallet allows you to easily scan a QR code or copy and paste the recipient's address to ensure accuracy. In addition to sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, Phantom Wallet also allows you to interact with various decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain. To do this, simply navigate to the application's website and connect your Phantom Wallet by clicking on the Connect button. Best practices for using Phantom Wallet include always keeping your browser and extension up to date, being cautious of phishing scams, and never sharing your seed phrase or password with anyone. By following these tips and best practices, you can ensure a safe and secure experience when using Phantom Wallet. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and the cryptocurrencies it holds. With Phantom Wallet, you can easily and securely manage your digital assets and interact with the Solana ecosystem.